Hello, in this tutorial we will walk through database. The basic thing that everyone knows about the databases is that we have two type of stores. The first one is NoSQL and another one is SQL. So in this ongoing tutorial we will walk through the SQL database, and in SQL we will see Oracle as well as MySQL, and I will provide you this PDF in the description, and we are going to walk through this PDF. We will do exercises that are inside this PDF, and that is going to enough to learn SQL databases, in which we will saw MySQL as well as Oracle, that how to code on these two both SQL databases. And the important thing that I have to tell you is that you must have to take printout of this PDF when you are watching this video. If you are going to walk through this video, then it is not going to be beneficial. But if you are not going to walk through even this video and going to read this PDF from top to bottom, that will be enough to learn Oracle as well as MySQL databases, which are SQL databases. So I recommend to get the printout of this PDF, which will be beneficial for you a lot. Now, before diving into this PDF and contents and doing codes that are in this PDF, let's download the MySQL and Oracle. You can see here we have in SQL databases MySQL and Oracle, that is covered inside this PDF. And in NoSQL we have MongoDB, DynamoDB, HBase, Cassandra, and etc. But we will stick on SQL databases, MySQL and Oracle. So let's download and configure it in our PC. So we will work on this. Just go on your browser and type download MySQL for Windows. Go to the MySQL community server. And we download the latest one, which is here. So we are going with this one. It requires login. You have to create your account first in Oracle, then you are going to be able to download this. So I have account. Let me log in, and the password is so I don't know where is that page. Let's search again. Download MySQL. Go to the community version, community edition. Yes, download MySQL community edition and MySQL installer for Windows. And we are going to download this one, version 8.0.36. It requires some fields to be filled. Let's do that. Education, job, student, number of employees 0, 1, 2, 9, Z4, WO. Submit the form, and here is the download button. Let's download it. So I have this one downloaded before. You can download this, so we can save some time right here. Let's see how you are going to download the Oracle SQL. Download Oracle database. Go on the first website and download this one, 21CXE. This is approximately 1 GB file, so I'm not going to download this again. I have downloaded it before, so you have to download it